One solution stands tall amidst the mess in a world where clutter and chaos can easily overwhelm your space. Introducing Power Dumpster Rental, your ultimate partner in dumpster rental in Jennings, Louisiana. Whether you're tackling a home renovation project or landscaping overhaul or simply need to clear out the garage, we've got you covered with a range of dumpster sizes to suit your needs. At Power Dumpster Rental, we understand the importance of keeping your project on track. Our team is here to support you every step of the way. With prompt delivery, flexible pickup schedules, and efficient service, we ensure your cleanup project is completed quickly and efficiently. With Power Dumpster Rental, you're in control. Fill up the dumpster at your own pace, and when you're ready, we'll swoop in and take it away, leaving you with a clean slate to work with. Don't let cleanup projects hold you back. Empower your cleanup efforts today with Power Dumpster Rental. Give us a call at 337-784-1927 or visit our website at www.powerdumpster.com. Dumpster Rental Jennings, LA, to book your dumpster rental and experience the power of Power Dumpster Rental for yourself. Power Dumpster Rental, where cleanup meets convenience.